Hello and welcome to today's video. So I'm coming on to do this LED light switch, but I wanted to put a picture inside. So I'm on the screen now and I got an image of my choice. My daughter loves Hello Kitty, so I'm going to put that in there first. So what I did was create my own template, and what I'm going to do is place it within that area. Now I'm going to kind of roll back so you can see step by step as far as bringing it together. Now I'm going to release my compound path. To do this, you need to go to your modify tool. So what you will need to do is go up to object, modify, and that will pop up on your screen. Now I'm gonna make my compound path. As you can see, I press the button, put my image back in, and now I'm about ready to crop it. Now I got that in place. So that's gonna be complete and I'm gonna be ready to print. Now let's put this thing together. I'm feeling pretty excited about this. I really didn't know what I was going to bring to the table for my video today, but this is what I came up with. So I purchased my LED lights off Amazon 5 and below. It's not things you need to make this project. It's pretty simple and it doesn't take much instruction to do this. So I'm going to take a brief pause and I'm just going to unassemble it, then reassemble it and put it together for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the